Well. Good morning, y'all. Today is May the 7th. The rain has just stopped. Just stopped. It has been raining since early yesterday morning. We have not been able to get anything done. We still have 15 on our list from this past week. We just came, this person called me and a few days ago, the older lady, really wanted her place cleaned up for Mother's Day. And it's high. Let me show it to y'all. It's high and it's wet. We got this front yard and of course the backyard. James is mowing this place over here. This is her son's place. He's mowing the backyard over here. Yeah, y'all can see it's a little high, about 2 and 3 feet in some places. This over here don't look quite as bad because it's under the shade trees right here. And James getting the back over there. He's gonna clean this area up. So we're gonna get with it. Wish I had a tripod, but I left it at the house. So I'll have to give y'all a before and after shot. Well, we're done. They decided they want us to come over a couple of weeks and just go ahead and mow this one, that one over there. James is blowing off. Took us about 30 minutes. Y'all seen how high it was. Not too bad. It's in the woods, and you know how thin the woodsy grass is. But it cleaned up pretty good, I gotta say. And 2 more yards, because the other man, she said she's had him for 5 years, but for the whole 5 years, he's always had a hard time getting over here. So he's probably just overloaded himself with too many yards. I guess we're all guilty of getting that direction. But fortunately, we try to maintain it to where we got no more than about 10 or 11 a day for 5 days. And then that way, when it gets wet like it is now, like today, as wet as it was all week, and today is Saturday, we still only had 15 to do. Well, these 2 right here make 17, but only about 10 of them really needs to be done. We can put the other 7 off and they wouldn't care at all. So it's pretty good. I'm glad of that. On to the next one. Saturday. It was actually raining when we got here, but fortunately it stopped and we're able to get some work done. Praise God. Well, we're fixing to mow this one. It goes from there to here, up over there. Jerry! All right. Over here and behind the house. Got your garden going, don't you?
Huh?
Well, out here we're mowing right on the 4 lane. And apparently somebody had a little accident. Somebody pieced a carpet. Always find trash down here at the 4 lane. What do you reckon that is? Somebody lost a piece of their car. I hate chopping up trash. I just won't do it. So I always come out here and pick it up. I know I go by sometimes and I'll see where people has chopped up paper on the road. I just hate that. So I gotta clean up the yard. Clean up the yard. Well, James told me he's stuck, so I'm going over there to see if I can get him unstuck. It's kind of slick out here because it just quit raining, and you can see these hills we're working on, so go over here and see if we can get them unstuck right now. Take a look at it. Well, we got James unstuck there. You see the tight spot he was in. Went ahead and cleaned the road up down there. Now let's see if we can get some mowing done. It is 3:12, and it's been raining off and on all day. Been kind of difficult. We got a pretty early start, but been really wet and miserable. I wanted to say something. I know a lot of you guys that's in the lawn care business, y'all know this. But I just thought, thinking about something, and, there could be some new people watching the channel. And so, something that happened to me when I was in the lawn care business about 2 or 3 years, somebody's air conditioner broke down. And, so of course they called the air conditioner man, and he seen where there was grass on and around the air conditioner where I was new, fairly still new, and didn't know the importance of always trying to make sure you blow off around your air conditioners. And I didn't, and they tried to blame that air conditioner breaking down. The man said it was my fault that the air conditioner was broken down. Now, I didn't pay for it, because there's no way in the world they could prove that. But I just wanted y'all to know, make sure you always blow around the air conditioner. And instead of weed eating real close to the air conditioner, if there's a bunch of weeds around, it might be a good idea to pull them. Because that's one of the little things people can get you on, saying it's your fault. Anyways, it's 3:14, and me and James, we left the house about, 8:30?
Yeah, 8:30.
And so we don't like to have our uber long day. So I think we're going to go make one more stop and call it a day. I might have a few people upset with me, especially now that it's not raining, but they're just going to have to know I'm just a smidgen behind. It's been a hard week trying to stay caught up this week, and I've only got two weekers that I didn't hit today, and I don't think I'm going to hit them. But I'm going right now where I'm going. It's really bad. I've got this lady. She gets mowed every 2 weeks. I'm going to turn the air conditioner on for you, James. She gets mowed every 2 weeks, and she wanted to know if there's any way I can cut it shorter to where the grass wouldn't be so high this time of the year, right? So I was telling James, I said, even if I was mowing another inch or two lower, what's that really going to do for it when it's growing an inch every day? So we're going to go to them yards right now and do them and then call it a day. But I expect they're going to be pretty bad. Well, it's raining on us, but we got her done. Look at them machines. Mud, anthills. Lord, ain't that pitiful. They work for their living today. How thick the grass is. But we got it done. Wow. Well, it is raining. I'm on my way into the house. We've been mowing in the rain all day long. And today, the weatherman and everything Said it wasn't gonna rain. But here it is. Raining. All day long. But we're done. Had a pretty good day. Whew. Honey, I'm home.
I see.
Are you glad to see your working man?
Yeah, glad.
Give me some lip service.
Don't talk like that.
My dog wanted to give me some tongue service. Hello there, how you doing? Oh, it's so wet. So wet today. Well. Hello again. Myself and Mariah is headed to town. We're going to get some...
Arista wants a cattle fix thing.
We're going to get some items from Rural King. You know, I don't have much time to do anything out in my garden, but I do like to garden. So I've got a lot of friends. So I think I'm just going to plant a bunch of watermelons. That's all I'm going to do, watermelons and okra, and just give it away.
Well, you know, Arista planted 30 tomato plants. She's the planter.
Yeah, Arista's got a green thumb. That's my daughter. She got a little channel called...
Arista Rambles.
Arista Rambles.
She doesn't put videos on very much. It's only whenever she wants to for memories.
So we're going up to Rural King to get a few items. We didn't get all of our yard done, of course, but
mow.
We have
No, I didn't mow, that's why.
only 9 backed up, so that's okay.
I've been sick. I've got a disease, a head cold. Okay, so I'm going to read some of the comments on YouTube because they're kind of funny. Well, I read them anyhow normally, but some of them are kind of funny. And one of them from Our Life Out West by Susie. She says, I understand you're being tired. That's a lot of work. You ain't joking, sister. It's a lot of work to mow these yards. Especially is because a lot of them in the spring are very overgrown. And you got to make them look perfect. And 2-week yards are very hard to make look perfect. Because they're only about this high. 2-week yards. It's hard. Marcy said, hello. Haven't checked in a while. Got a lot on my plate. Going good though. God is good. It's good to see you. I've missed you. Love you both. Hello, Randall. I don't know who that is, but Randall.
Yeah, we're going to try to get some time off to come up there, sis.
It'll be the winter time.
But busy as we are right now. Well, it wouldn't have to be winter if we just wouldn't rain all the time.
You know, it's so strange that some people like that Happy's Lawn Care, their yards.
Yeah, they had some.
Their yards are kind of dry and crunchy.
But he got a lot of rain the other day.
And ours are like swimming. Matter of fact, some of the yards you walk into and they just smush down. They're so wet. So wet. According to Jeff,
You know, hold on. When I lived up on the other side of the mountain, when I lived in Virginia, the rain would all stay on the other side of the mountain. We didn't seem like we got much rain on our side of the mountain when we lived on your side of the mountain. We used to live on your side of the mountain. But it's really weird. It seems like it goes up the coastline and hangs on one side of that mountain.
now this is something I really want to try that Lou was telling us about.
Who's Lou?
Lou Roberts. He said, good morning. You need to mix some borax with powdered sugar and put it in a couple of bottle caps. Place the bottle caps on top of the hill and cover it back up. The ants will eat the borax along with the sugar and bring it back to nest. The borax will dry them out and kill them along with the other eggs.
We'll get some borax today.
We have a world of hurt with prices on everything. I have a 99 F-150. It cost me $55 for a half a tank. Hope you're enjoying the weekend. You know what? I was kind of, speaking about prices, I was kind of shocked yesterday. I don't know why, because I've been seeing things go up. Matter of fact, in our neighborhood, gas is like $4.01 right now a gallon. So that kind of does hurt our mowing business. But groceries, oh my goodness, groceries, eggs and chicken are so high.
They're slaughtering a bunch out west that got the chicken flu.
I don't know, but eggs,
Millions and millions and millions of chickens are getting slaughtered. I found that out by Brian Loth. He said they're killing a bunch of them over there because they got the chicken flu. Wendy!
If you saw my comment about the flowers, they're called red hot pokers. They're unique flowers and look awesome grouped together.
Yeah, we didn't get all the comments on the last video because there's a lot after we already took it. I'd already made it. But yeah, we read all the comments there and stuff.
I knew they were called poke something, red pokes or something, but I just couldn't remember them. And they only come up, they look like firecrackers to me, but yeah, anyhow.
So we're headed to the farm store. Y'all have a good day. Happy mowing to you until we meet again.